Hello guys, welcome back to another new video. It's me Yasin Unfilter, and today I'm gonna explore one of the most beautiful place with a lot of stories. I'm gonna explore the place name Souk Al Seef. It is like nearby Dera. I'm gonna explain what kind of videos or what kind of place inside is hiding. I'm gonna explore one by one. So watch this video until end so you can enjoy a lot of things.
Souk Al Seef meanings market of the shore in Arabic. It's standing right on creek area, the most historical waterway in all of UAE. The place stretches 1.8 kilometers and every single crowd telling the story of old Dubai. Before the mall, before the luxurious lifestyle, before the luxurious city, how it was revealed on this video. I'm gonna tell you something. Dubai Creek is over 4,000 years old. 4,000 years ago, people are not at least that much of popular on this area. So the creek, it was one small fishing market. Most of the people they are coming by boat from India, Paris, or Africa, South Africa, right here on creek, and they trade fares, spread gold and dates. Dubai had not well on that time. Everything was built from this creek area, and it was not luxurious that time as much as right now. They made it with the Emirati tradition, like how it was before. You can feel it. All the buildings, all the areas is like look like the old Dubai. Another interesting part of this video, every weekend there is a lot of events ongoing based on Emirati tradition, their culture, their vibes, Emirati vibes, all is ongoing. And the biggest things, there will be no hidden charge, like it all totally free. They're gonna explore their lifestyle, their old traditional lifestyle, like how it was look, all the things they are just mentioned on these events. So that is one of the biggest place where you can feel exactly like how it was before, like 4,000 years ago, the creek. So most of the people they don't know about this place, but yeah, it's totally free. There is no entry fees, nothing is there. You can easily come, and this is one of the best place for the tourism. If they want to know about Emirati tradition or about the Emirati culture, then they should visit here. This is the creek. They should visit here in this area, and they will see all the tradition ongoing and the lifestyle. Dubai famous because of their leadership and their hospitality. It's one of the biggest things which is the other country they cannot provide. So whoever staying there or whoever coming for the tourism to visit and to know about Dubai, they should come here and they should utilize and they should research about the story of Dubai, the old Dubai. This place is totally artificially, but they made it to give the feel to the tourism or the people who want to really know about the Dubai culture and tradition. And there is a lot of restaurants, there is a lot of market where you can feel exactly that is like how this worked before, like 4,000 years ago or 3,000 years ago, how it was like. And all the items like you can get, that is not much expensive, also is very cheap, but you can get it as a memory to keep in your home, to give the reminder like Dubai, this is from Dubai. So that is the one of the best, and I'm really like excited when I visit there. It was really nice, and it was really like with the organization, it was really beautiful. And the best things about the building, they made it with a different way, like full of Emirati culture. They made it, and you will feel exactly before how the people like they used to live before. So all the tradition things, all the cultural things they explore on this place. The place is very small, but they explore all the things whatever they used to do before. So if you want to know about the history of Dubai, then you should come and you should visit one by one. There is some of the restaurants, and there is some of the places also you can get like painting or the old painting, and there is some accessories which is like almost 10,000 years ago, 5,000 years ago, with the silver, these, that, like lot of items there which is really expensive, but you can get it and you can get as a memories from Dubai, like from the Dubai culture, how it was like 4,000 years ago. So that is one of the best place to visit with the family, to visit with the children, and to explain them about the Dubai.
'Cause these back roads carry the blues I feel, where love once lived and wounds won't heal. The wind still whispers your name in the pines, like a country so lost in R&B lines. Back roads and blues, baby, that's my truth. And midnight calls fell for you like a leaf in fall. Steel guitar weeps what I can't say. In a minor key you fade away. Back roads carry the blues I feel. Every turn's a scar that'll never heal. But the music knows just what I've lost. It's love and pain at a country cost. Back roads and blues, where I still find you.
One of the place is hiding. I really love it and I would like to explore, and I would recommend it. Whoever coming and visit here, they should must visit in this place. That is not a shop, that is full of memories. Most of the people, they are coming and they are visiting all this area, but they don't know exactly what exactly in this shop and what they are selling. Whatever you are seeing in the doll or like with fital, the log, different items, it is almost 500 years ago, 600 or 700 years ago, the items. They find it and they hunt the product and they keep it there for the tourism, for the people. And if any tourism they are excited to buy, definitely they can, but it's too expensive since it's a tradition of before, like the old tradition. That's why it's really expensive. You should visit that area. So we're gonna finish our video by today, and if you like the video, please like, comment and subscribe my YouTube channel, and we're gonna see you next video.